Posted what?
The thing with us in the park still. There's lots of people still here though.
Ooh, those trees are really swinging.
Just a swinging. I hate oak trees. I do. Like these scrub oaks.
Yeah.
That's a Kelly. It's all open right here. Stuff's gone. Campers are gone. Wasn't there a camper there?
No. I don't think so. This is the way I said if it ever flooded, we would go right there. Whitebirds? Another one still here.
They're leaving. They're taking the truck out, or the trailer right now.
Oh. Oh, my bad.
Has stuck pretty much to the original track. In the beginning, it just kept going all over the place, but it ended up back here.
Damn dummy right there. It's too late to be trying to move something like that. I think
Oh, flip. A nice little certain way, a gust of wind.
24/7 news correspondent down there in Sarasota, Rick Marshall. Rick, we appreciate your time. Stay safe down there. We'll talk again soon. Thank you.
it's good over here. Because there's no trees.
Perspectives from down south there, Aaron, from the Sarasota, Fort Myers, just pretty much all over the state as well. Going up to talk to Sheriff Naco there in Pasco County. And the one thing, and I think Laura said this about a half hour ago, this is not just a West Coast Florida storm. This isn't just a Tampa Bay storm. This is everyone. Everyone
Cut through the
has to
grass
be diligent
around the back by the marsh.
Like some branches down over there a little bit.
It's so important to have everything charged.
Pond's not, I mean, it's high, but it's not that high. There's some branches down over here.
Majority of our state.
Yeah, as far as likely losing
Just
power.
likely losing power. So we have that mindset going forward that there's going to be some really negative times going up, to have that positive mindset, but also just be prepared, because you just never know what's going to happen. Whether it's rain, whether it's wind, whether it's tornadoes, there's just a lot of things you have to be aware of. And maybe you're not getting the brunt of one aspect of that, right? As we've seen the storm change.
That's it.
It's not like that. There's things that can happen in your area that maybe it won't happen somewhere else. So don't think until this is
My stomach is
after, days after, because we know there's going to be flooding. Don't let your
well, and this oh yeah, it's flooded. I was like, this typically floods.
We're flooded all the way across up here.
On the coast, you're going to be dealing with it differently than if you're more inland and you're dealing with flooding.
Oh, you are.
Saturated grounds, and keep in mind, big trees. It's not just the wind.
It hasn't even got here yet.
Ground becomes saturated. We talked about at the end of this.
That happened already.
Dumping on the ground, that tree could fall over. So you can't even kind of drive it in a beach. It's not going to happen. It's just things you never think about. I always say,
You can go up and around and I'll come to your house.
the most deadly part of the storm sometimes.
And that's going to be a big file, so you'll have to put it on YouTube.
Power lines are flooding. It becomes really dangerous. So that's why hurricanes are so dangerous. It's not just the storm, it's after as well.
A little nerve-wracking having all those trees right there.
nerve-wracking anywhere them trees are at.
I mean, I love having all the
Pine trees or bad trees?
I think it's pretty with all the trees, but at the same time. Ooh, that got torn.
That's the first
Yeah.
lick of damage, and their cover
Yeah.
came off of someplace.
Is that picture really going to be worth it if somebody gets
Yeah, they'll have an
hurt?
awning to repair.
God forbid something really
I
serious.
mean, if that's the worst of it, shoot. You know?
There's Gunny's house. Looks good. Lots of sticks, lots of trees.
Yeah. Getting little wind blasts. Little swarms. Oh yeah, he left. Scotty's house. Whoa. Oop, that pine tree came up out of the ground.
Palm tree?
Yep, it's up out. Ooh. A lot of branches over here. Yeah, there's a lot of branches over here. I'm surprised that's still there.
It's not, it's new.
Oh, it's that old guy.
No, it isn't.
Oh, it's not.
No, that was a drive-on camper.
That's the one that's for sale. Yeah.
Best job I've seen of button up the houses while I've been here.
Leading up to some of the worst park roads when they hit in this Tampa area.
There's a lot of trees that
There's another one that's for sale.
it's over, so you're gonna see some stuff flying around. There's one and that's certainly
Oh, there's some branches there. Oh, yep.
Flooded.
This is from the National Weather Service. Alarms at the Florida coast are getting extreme warnings. If you're in one of these areas and are already sheltering, do so immediately. We follow these different Twitter feeds, Aaron, because this is really, we talk about the perils of social media so much, but during times like
Look at
this,
this fan
it's
really
important
going.
to know who to follow.
Making some electric.
Yep.
Social media platforms. Follow me at Jay Redger, follow Aaron Jacobson. I'm here, follow WFLA News. We'll have everything up to date as soon as we get this information. We're going to send it over to you. KB on the radio, Kate Pacino's doing a great job as well. So James Verlander, Jamie Ferrer, John Lamole, and the whole group here at IR, keeping everybody abreast of the situation.
Flooded.
seeing extreme warning has been issued from Sarasota County through Chesapeake. And remember, emergency vehicles, they are no longer responding from Center Road south. So we're starting to see a coming in. It's been issued for 2 o'clock this afternoon in Sarasota County.
Have you checked in on the folks?
I did. They're ready. They're hunkering down. They did not evacuate, unfortunately, and that's listen. A lot of people did. Unfortunately, decided that this wasn't going to.
Ooh, that little, did that shed, metal shed come down?
It's too late. So now all we can do is
The one that they used to park their boat under?
is just be patient. Put yourself in the best situation to be safe.
Yep.
That is the most important thing right now.
Let's go to our guy Will.
I didn't even see that when we went by.
Updating us on Fort Myers. Will, good to talk to you again. What's the latest in the last seen heard in the last 30 minutes or so?
You see it? I'm not going all the way over there.
Yeah, I'm just going over here. Yeah, let me see. I'll zoom in. Oop. Yep.
It's getting worse.
Yep. Oh, they did put him up, the Manatee back up.
He's been there.
He should be in the front of the park, though. There should be 2 at the entrance.
He'll get stolen.
Probably. Not if you put him in concrete.
So this is the worst it's been so far.
Yep.
It's within the
Oh,
last-
there's a branch right there.
He stayed, you said?
Yep, he stayed. They stayed. As far as I know, they stayed. They said they were staying.
Yeah, and it's one of those
Dark
things
in
where
there.
we kind of look at what's going to happen here afterwards. And what are you anticipating as far as after the storm? Everybody being ready to go, help on hand, because right now it's a little too late. Emergency crews are going to be the next after making sure that people get the help they need.
Go around. Huh?
I said I already went once, but okay.
Nothing. Our home. Safe and sound so far. By the grace of God. It needs cleaned very badly.
Well, we appreciate the time. We'll talk to you again soon. Stay safe, my man.
This looks the best over
Cowboys. Looks
All
good.
right, good stuff in there.
Oh, maybe she did
right
leave.
Back to the phone lines. We have Bradenton Police Chief Melanie Bevan joining us.
Yep.
Chief, thanks so much for joining us.
She didn't stay.
And please give us a quick update on the area down there in Bradenton. How's everybody holding up?
Everybody's doing pretty good. I
was
never
the one.
thought I'd be thankful for tropical force winds and the threat of a 8-foot storm surge, but it certainly is better than what we were
There's some
facing
trees down right here.
What are you
Some
seeing
branches
as
down
far
right
as
here.
From last night and today, have you know, obviously we don't want people out there, and we don't want them causing
Not
trouble
really
for
near
you.
power
Has there
lines, so
been
that's
high
good.
volume of calls? Has everything been kind of calm on
A
your
lot
end?
of the water coming out.
She just left.
we're not
Did they just leave?
Just a few minutes, like right before I left.
Certainly not a lot of pedestrian traffic. We did have
She did. I didn't
a
see
few
him in the
folks
car.
that decided to shelter at one of our
Colin's getting
open-air parking
Crow
lots
just sitting
and,
there.
order in some food. That didn't work out so well. We got them to a shelter.
Stop.
But all in
Park,
all,
then I'll run
down
back over.
trees, winds are picking up,
Park the
but
car.
everybody
Oh,
here is
palm
safe and
leaves
sound.
down
Bradenton
by the
Police
pool.
Chief Melanie Bevan joining us. Is everybody there? Are you guys still responding?